Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here, learning German with me. This is our main goal here, to read mangas and learn German. You will learn grammar, vocabulary, slang, everything you need to really learn this language in a really unconventional and chill way. That's what I hope. If you are more concerned about grammar, vocabulary, concept of teaching, check out my OG channel, Learn German, Los Sprachschule. There I teach in a really, let's say, organized matter, yeah, and with consecutive courses and so on. German, you can check it out. It's really good in my opinion. I hope you like it. But here we will read One Piece. We will continue with our story. And you will also learn a lot. At the end, I have a vocabulary session and a grammar session. And today we even have a question of viewer, so I'm super happy about that. This is the question, either here or there. Yeah, so it's about possession, a really important issue also. We will talk about this at the end. Thanks for your question. If you have other questions, people, leave them in the comments, yeah? Like, subscribe, don't forget to push this channel a little bit with your interaction. I really appreciate that. And I will also answer to your questions. They are real language questions. So let's go. Yeah, we go back to see what he says in the other one. Give me a sec. Ja, genau. Ich habe Gerüchte gehört. Der Prinz, der in der Burg geboren wurde. So he says, I heard rumors. The prince that was born in the castle or fortress, geboren wurde, soll verflucht sein. Is supposed to be cursed. Soll verflucht sein, ja. Oh ja, poor guy. Hey, warte. Hey, wait. Ah ja, this was little Hayudin, genau, Hey Hayudin. Dein Bruder versucht dieses Land mit seinem Fluch zu vernichten. Your brother tries to destroy this country with his curse. Versuchen, to try. Hä? Als älterer Bruder musst du dich opfern. Yeah, right. As an older brother, you have to sacrifice yourself. Dich opfern. So she's like, hä, warum? Why? Mein Junge ist das süßeste Kind auf der ganzen Welt. Also wird er auch länger leben als jeder andere. Das ist ja wohl klar. My boy is the cutest child in the whole world. Therefore, he will live longer than everybody else, she says. That's clear, isn't it? Ist ja wohl klar. Halt den Mund, Ida. Hold your mouth, also shut up. Du bist nicht mal von hier und hast Harald hinters Licht geführt. You're not even from here and you tricked Harald. Hinters Licht führen. It's quite a cool expression. Of course, it's not good what he's doing, but the expression is good. It means to mislead someone. Hinters Licht führen. Literally to lead someone behind the light. Yeah, so to trick someone. Klappe. Klappe means shut up, yeah? It's just a short version. Als ob Liebe sich um Landesgrenzen schert. As if love cares about the borders of a country, ja. A nice pattern, sich scheren um, to care about. Don't use it too much, yeah. It's a little theatrical, ja. Next one. Hände weg von meiner Mama. Hands away from my mom. Of course, it means take your hands off my mom, ne? Hände weg. Of course, this is not a full sentence. There is no verb. Just saying. Ich mach Kleinholz aus dir, du Mistkerl. König Harald. So, Daddy came. Kleinholz means chopping wood. Yeah. So I will make chopping wood out of you, aus dir. Yeah, this is a typical German expression. In English, you wouldn't say it like this. Yeah. Papa, Harald, verletzt euch doch nicht gegenseitig, Brüder. Ja. Sich verletzen means to harm oneself, right? But you can also harm somebody else, jemanden verletzen. So what he wants to say is, don't hurt each other. Gegenseitig, each other. Ich erfuhr gleichzeitig von Lokis Geburt und der Hungersnot in diesem Land. Erfuhr ist the Präteritum of erfahren. To get notified, to know something, ja, to hear something, this kind of information, ja. Gleichzeitig at the same time. So at the same time, I knew or I learned about Loki's birth and of the famine in this country. Ich habe die Länder, mit denen wir im Austausch stehen, um Rat gefragt. I recommend you to cut the middle to see what this sentence is really about. I asked the countries for advice. And now, if you want to really learn German, which I hope you do, ich habe die Länder um Rat gefragt. I asked the countries for advice. Um Rat fragen is the pattern, literally. And now he describes what countries, mit denen wir im Austausch stehen. With which we are in correspondence, ja, im Austausch. Mehr war nicht nötig. Nothing more was necessary. Mehr war nicht nötig. Sie haben ohne Worte, they, without any word, das Wort, Unmengen an Proviant auf Schiffe geladen. Haben geladen, to load, right? Unmengen an Proviant means like a huge amount of food supplies. Ja, Proviant is the supply. Onto the boats. So, die Menschen sind als Individuen zwar klein, aber mehrere Länder haben sich zusammengetan und so viele Nahrung hergebracht. Ja? Humans as individuals might be small, zwar might be small, but many countries did cooperate together, sich zusammentun, ja, to team up, and so they brought a lot of food, die Nahrung. And now he continues, so viel Nahrung hergebracht, dass wir Riesen davon satt werden. So much food that we giants can get full. Okay? This is B1 grammar, by the way. If you're interested in this more complex sentence structures, my OG channel has also a B1 course. Yeah, it's ongoing, almost finished, by the way. So that's really cool. Nehmen wir die Hilfe dankbar an. Let's take the help. Dankbar means like thankfully, yeah, in huge, yeah, thankful emotion, yeah, dankbar. Do we have a word in English for dankbar? Appreciative? Yeah, dankbar. So let's take their help appreciative. Okay, vocabulary of this lesson. Let's check them out. If my hair is flying, I have the air conditioner on. It's so hot in here. The window's open. This is where there's loud music playing the whole day and night. There's like a city fest and I can't change it. It's where I live. It is, I can't even describe it. Yeah, I mean, I like that people are having fun, but it's on my expenses and my neighbors. But okay, until Sunday. So, speaking of, der Unsinn, the nonsense or the rubbish. Depends, not really polite. Kämpfen, to fight. Die Fassade. I talked about this a little more detailed in the lesson, in the reading. Means the facade, the front, can also mean like a facade in the sense of fakeness, yeah? Ehrenvoll, honorable. Anscheinend, apparently or seemingly. Jemanden, Akkusativ, überfallen. To attack somebody or to rob somebody. Erwischen is to caught somebody or in passive, erwischt werden, to get caught. Ja? Aufgrund, due to, because of. Aufgrund des schlechten Wetters, ja, als Genitiv. Die Führung, the leadership, or in context also the guided tour. Die Seltenheit, the rarity. Opfer fordern. I also told you what it means in the lesson. To claim victims, yeah, or to take lives. Really philosophical, a little sad meaning, but literally means to claim victims. Verrohen, to become brutal or to grow coarse or to become, yeah, emotionless, senseless, yeah, really harsh. This is what it means. So the question from the viewer was, could you do a video on the different ways of saying of the or of something? As I understand so far, there's the genitive, von, but they also don't use it sometimes, like Tasse Kaffee or Glas Wasser. So first of all, we don't say it like this. Tasse Kaffee or Glas Wasser written together like this. It's not right, yeah? But I know what you mean, or I think I do, and I have a little summary for that. Showing possession, yeah? You said correctly. It was a good attempt, yeah, to say that we have either die Brille von der Lehrerin, Dativ, or die Brille der Lehrerin, Genitiv. But what you are referring, I think at least what you mean, is using Zähleinheitswörter or Partitivkonstruktionen. What do we mean with that? We would say eine Tasse Kaffee, a cup of coffee. So we wouldn't say eine Tasse von Kaffee or eine Tasse des Kaffees. It sounds unnatural. Eine Tasse des Kaffees. Maybe in an old book you would find it somewhere super old-fashioned and it almost sounds wrong. Yeah, eine Tasse Kaffee without anything in between. It's a fixed construction with a measurement, Tasse, by itself a cup. Yeah, it's also a word, not only a measurement word. And Kaffee. So if you want to remember, eine Tasse, a cup, the gender is from cup, from the first word, yeah. And the second one is the thing that we are consuming, yeah, Kaffee. Ein Glas Wasser, a glass of water. Ein Stück Kuchen, a piece of cake. Yeah, like this. And you see really nice, for example, eine Scheibe Brot, a slice of bread. Eine Scheibe, female, die Scheibe. Das Brot, the bread. But we say eine Scheibe Brot, not ein Scheibe Brot. Always the first word is important. And those are two different words. Please write the word, then make a blank, a space bar, and then the next one. Don't write it together like you did, yeah? This looks like a wrong compositor. It's a different issue, okay? So, and another little tip, some languages like Chinese or Japanese, they have it always. This is not the case in Germany or in German. We would not say zwei Stück Autos. We say zwei Autos. Zwei Stück Fragen, also wrong. Zwei Fragen. So, most likely we use those ZEWs, yeah? We use them with things that are not countable, yeah, like Wasser oder Kaffee oder stuff, or Käse, of course. If you think too much about it, cheese is also countable, yeah? But to make it super clear and what kind of measurements you're talking about, it can be 2 slices of cheese, 2 cubes of cheese, 2 kilograms, and then we go into 2 packages of cheese, many things, yeah? Zwei Packungen Käse, for example, yeah? Just remember the indefinite or definite, depends, article, the measurement word, blank, and then the thing you're talking about, yeah? So, used for non-countable things or fixed expressions, for example, zwei Paar Schuhe, okay? This is how it works. So today my grammar lesson was almost longer than the reading, but I enjoy grammar to explain it. I really like it when students understand something and they're like, aha, got it and stuff, you know? This is what I do for a living, and I like it a lot. So this is how it works. Leave your questions, your feedback. If something is still not clear, could be, right? It's okay. Let me know and I will try to continue to help you out. Thanks for being here, reading One Piece with me. I hope you liked it. You learned something new, a new pattern, a new expression, new vocabulary, even today, new grammar, maybe. I hope so. Yeah, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comment. Yeah, feedback, questions, of course, I take everything. I'm really happy about the interaction and I see you. If I survive this festival, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.